Hello, welcome to Shulagna's Bioblog. Please like, share and subscribe my channel. Today I will discuss some more MCQs with you. In negative staining, which of the following is used? Options are A. India ink, B. Nigrosin, C. both A and B, and D. none of these. Next question, which is present in TSI agar media? Options are A. sucrose, B. glucose, C. dextrose, and D. both of the above. Next question, microscope lenses can be cleaned with which solution? Options are A. xylene, B. acetone, C. both A and B, and D. alcohol. Next question, what is the resolving power of a microscope where the wavelength of light used is 400 nanometer and the numerical aperture is 1? Options are A. 400, B. 40, C. 4, and D. 1000. Next question, what is the refractive index of cedar wood oil? Options are A. 1.33, B. 1.003, option C. 1.51, and option D. 1.901. Next question, if wavelength of light increases the resolving power of microscope, four options are A. decreases, B. increases, C. remains same, and D. none of the above. Next question, which of the following is not an autoimmune disease? Options are option A. multiple sclerosis, option B. scleroderma, option C. insulin dependent diabetes mellitus, and option D. none of these. Next question, which of the following is a live attenuated vaccine? Options are A. BCG, B. Salk, C. Sabin, and D. both A and C. Which of the following is responsible for hypersensitivity? Options are option A. IgA, option B. IgE, option C. IgM, and option D. IgG. Next question, erythroblastosis fetalis is an example of option A. type 1 hypersensitivity, option B. type 2 hypersensitivity, option C. type 3 hypersensitivity, and option D. type 4 hypersensitivity. Next question, to assess whether any infection is present in the body, which of the following test will be performed? Options are option A. CRP, option B. ASO, option C. RA factor, and option D. none of these. Next question, mesangial cells are present in, options are option A. brain, option B. lungs, option C. kidney, and option D. liver. Now I will discuss the answers of the MCQs. In negative staining, which of the following is used? The correct option will be option C, that means both A and B, because India ink and nigrosin both are used in negative staining. Which is present in TSI agar medium? The correct answer is option D, both of the above, that means TSI means triple sugar iron, sucrose, glucose, and dextrose all are present. These three sugars are present, that's why triple sugar iron. Microscope lenses can be cleaned with which solution? Correct option is both A and B, that means option C. Both xylene and acetone are used. What is the resolving power of microscope where the wavelength of light used is 400 nanometer and numerical aperture is 1? Resolving power equals to wavelength of light divided by numerical aperture. So the correct option is correct answer is option A, 400. What is the refractive index of cedar wood oil? The correct answer is option C, 1.51. If wavelength of light increases, the resolving power of microscope, correct answer is option B, increases, because resolving power is equals to wavelength by numerical aperture. So resolving power is directly proportional to wavelength of light. So if wavelength of light increases, then the resolving power will also increase. Question: which of the following is not an autoimmune disease? The correct answer is option D, none of the above. All the others, multiple sclerosis, scleroderma, insulin dependent, diabetes mellitus, all are autoimmune disease. So the correct option is none of the above. Which of the following is a live attenuated vaccine? Correct option is D. Both A and C, BCG and Sabin, both are live attenuated vaccine. Next question: which of the following is responsible for hypersensitivity? Right answer is option B, IgE. Erythroblastosis fetalis is an example of type 2 hypersensitivity. So the correct option is option B. To assess whether any infection is present in the body, which of the following tests will be performed? The answer will be CRP. So the right answer and the correct option is option A, CRP, C-reactive protein. C-reactive protein or CRP test is used to identify any kind of infection or inflammation in the body. Last answer: mesangial cells are present in, correct answer is option C, kidney. This is the end of today's session. Thank you.